Over 20 years ago, appliance manufacturer Superior Equipment Solutions was founded in California. Since its inception, SES has established a legacy and formed a family of brands that spans across both the commercial and residential appliance markets. From the beginning, our precision production methods have ensured an unsurpassed performance record for everything that ships from the Superior Equipment facility.
Superior Equipment Solutions was inspired by the time that most of us spent working for my father's company, which was Jade Range.
A lot of it starts with the raw materials we use. We use the finest raw materials in the industry. And then we use high-tech equipment in the factory. But again, it takes a handcrafted person to make it fine and look beautiful.
2017 marked the year that SES moved into a brand new, customized, state-of-the-art facility with over 100,000 square feet of space. This expansion allowed for additional and upgraded manufacturing capabilities that have since elevated the brands to new heights.
The factory is unique because it starts with the design process. We have great engineers that design quality products, and they design them around the high-tech equipment that we have in the factory.
A lot of companies inspect quality out the door. We try to build that into every piece of equipment that we make.
Crafted from premium 304 grade stainless steel, all SES manufactured pieces and parts offer exceptional durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance and a pristine finish. This is the latest technology in laser cutting, extremely efficient and highly precise. In fact, this is one of the fastest laser cutting machines in the world and can cut up to 200 running feet of stainless steel in less than a minute. The high-powered punch laser combines the versatility of a punching machine with the precision of a laser cutter. This machine offers efficient and highly accurate shaping of various materials. After the stainless steel parts come off of the punch laser, very sharp edges are left over. A specialized deburring machine removes any sharp edges that remain off of the metal. Much of the metal bending, or breaking as it's called in the industry, is handled by the SES Factory's robotic press brakes. These brakes produce steel parts with precision and efficiency. For specific parts needing the professional craftsman's touch, our skilled artisans step in to apply their expertise. Once all the pieces and parts are ready, they enter the SES eco-friendly finishing cells for welding, grinding, and polishing. These custom-designed booths are equipped with filtration systems that not only minimize dust, but also effectively eliminate potential pollutants. These measures are taken to align with our commitment to sustainability and ensure that our products exit the facility with minimal environmental impact. Our next-generation laser welding machines offer a superior alternative to traditional arc welding methods. Laser welding ensures stronger, cleaner, and better-looking welds. The parts are then polished like a piece of fine jewelry, either by hand or by our state-of-the-art robotic polishing machine. After the parts are welded, ground, and polished, they are moved into the final assembly department. With Superior's organized workflow, our craftsmen can easily navigate this supermarket of parts. We make all of our shipping pallets by hand in order to incorporate extra protection for our products for safer transport, and we only hire preferred freight companies who handle and deliver our products with care.
Here at SES Brands, we proudly manufacture all of our products here in the United States of America. With brands like Alfresco and Artisan, open-air culinary systems, and Capital Cooking, professionally styled, high-performance ranges, our customers get the quality that they expect and deserve when selecting the best of the best for their homes.